If your posts are getting ignored, your engagement's dropping, or you're spending hours creating content that barely gets seen, I get it. Really. I've been there. You put your time, your energy, your ideas into something, and then you hit post. And nothing. No comments, no traction, just silence. Here's the thing. Most people treat posting like a checklist. Make a graphic? Check. Write a caption? Check. Post at 3 p.m. because some blog said it's the best time? Check. And when it doesn't land, they blame the algorithm. Or worse, themselves. But the truth? Social media doesn't reward effort. It rewards clarity, it rewards timing, and it rewards intention. So here's what the smart creators do before they post. And no, it's not complicated, but it's intentional. Let's break it down simply. Step 1. They know the goal. Before they post, they ask, is this to build trust, start a conversation, get shared or saved? Because if there's no goal, there's no direction. And if there's no direction, there's no result. Step 2. They look at what's actually working. Not just what felt good to post, but what performed. Sometimes the post that you thought was average quietly crushed. And the one you loved? Crickets. You don't know unless you check. Step 3. They tailor the post for the platform. Same message, different rhythm. Instagram needs a clean visual and a hook in the first 1 to 2 seconds. LinkedIn, go deeper. Tell a story. Offer real value. TikTok, grab attention fast or you're gone. Same story, just told in a native language of each space. Then comes timing, but not the algorithm kind. Not what time is best, but more like what fits my rhythm. What's the flow of the week? Is this part of a story I'm already telling? And finally, they show up. They don't post and ghost. They are there, replying to early comments, engaging with others, staying visible. Because that first 30 to 60 minutes, it's like opening night. It matters. And after the post goes live, they listen. Not just to likes, but to signals that matter. Saves, shares, replies, DMs. That's real feedback. That's what helps them grow. The creators who keep showing up, they don't just post and hope. They prep, they tweak, they pay attention. And most importantly, they build a system that supports them instead of burning them out. So, before your next post goes live, just pause and ask, what's the goal here? Who's this for? Am I posting with purpose or just checking a box? And that tiny pause, that's the difference between spinning your wheels and actually gaining momentum. If you've ever hit publish just to get it off your plate, hey, you're not the only one. We've all had those moments. But if you want to start showing up with a little more clarity, a little more energy, and a whole lot less chaos, you can. Here's a gentle nudge. Drop a comment and let me know what part of the process you tend to skip or know you should be doing but haven't made space for yet. And if the whole content process has started to feel like a second job, I get it. You don't need 5 apps to stay consistent. You just need a system that works for you. I'll drop a link below to the scheduler I use. It helped me stay focused, stay sane, and still show up with purpose. Remember, post with intention, learn as you go, build at your pace. You're not behind, you're just getting clear. Talk soon.